Sitting proudly amongst the mountains in the heart of the Alps, in the serene town of Villa d'Ossola, Italy, Marini was founded in 1975. The company has grown and innovated since its early days, becoming a leading name in the drilling manufacturing sector. Initially specialized in machinery for ornamental stone extraction, the company expanded its offerings over the past 20 years, establishing itself in the fields of deep foundations and civil engineering. Today, Marini's machines are used in construction sites and quarries worldwide, showcasing the true spirit of Made in Italy. With over 7 product lines and more than 50 machine models, we offer innovative solutions that meet the needs of an ever-evolving global market. Each machine produced is the result of a research and development process involving mechanical, electrical, electronic, and hydraulic design. The company places particular emphasis on safety at every stage of the machinery production process, ensuring this concept is maintained in all final products. Every machine is designed to enhance reliability and improve the user's experience, guaranteeing a safe and intuitive user interface. The production process involves several stages, from the creation of high-precision mechanical components to the construction of the frames, from parts painting to the final assembly phase. Every step is carefully managed to ensure top-quality products. Marini pays great attention to sustainability. Therefore, the company has chosen to use solar electricity for the production of its machinery, reducing environmental impact and actively contributing to the protection of our planet. Marini's product lines are designed to meet a wide range of needs, such as slope stabilization, skid-mounted units, and drilling mast attachments. We also produce crawler drilling rigs for anchoring and micropiles projects with an operating weight of up to 24 tons, compact LDP and CFA piling rigs, pneumatic and hydraulic equipment for quarries, including machines for diamond wire cutting. Through a qualified commercial network of over 40 active dealers and agents worldwide, we are constantly ready to assist customers with machine selection, training, and support. After-sales attention is one of our company's strengths, as we believe our commitment should not end with the delivery of the product. With a 1,000 square meter warehouse, the company can quickly fulfill spare parts requests and build new machines, ensuring prompt availability and high-quality service. With an automated spare parts storage system that has significantly sped up response times and internal production. Marini is composed of a young, versatile and dynamic team that believes in innovation and approaches every challenge with enthusiasm, contributing to the company's growth. We place special emphasis on training our staff and partners worldwide. This not only helps the end customer increase their familiarity with the machinery, but also allows the company to improve in all aspects, maintaining high quality and reliability in its products and services. Over the last 50 years of experience, Marini has led the industry through growth and unwavering commitment to quality, innovation, and passion for excellence, driving the future with solutions that stand the test of time.